Using Expedia Airline Credits is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. After you cancel your Expedia flights, you will receive a cancellation confirmation email containing details of your flight credit, depending on the fare type and if changes or cancellations are allowed. You can use this credit to purchase future flights. When booking the new flights, keep in mind that there are restrictions on how you can use an Expedia flight credit. The first thing to know is that you cannot use the credit directly with an airline. You must redeem it for another Expedia booking. In addition, the airline may impose fare and cabin class restrictions, limiting the credit redemption options. Finally, you can only use the flight credits to purchase airfare, not other services like baggage, meals, and upgrades. To use the Expedia flight credit, log in to your Expedia account. Go to the My Account page, select Coupons and Credits, then select the credit you wish to use. Follow the instructions to redeem it for a different flight. If the credit doesn't show up in the My Account section, call Expedia at 866-310-5768 and an agent can assist you. You will need to know the original itinerary number, credit amount, and traveler names. If you are logged into your Expedia account and have searched for flights, you can use the Check Credits link at the top of the flight search results to see eligible flights. There are a few things to keep in mind about fare differences when using a flight credit from Expedia. If the new flight costs more than your airline credit amount, you will have to pay the difference. If the new flight costs less than your airline credit amount, some airlines only allow you to use the credit once, meaning you would lose any leftover credit. You can see the airline's flight change and cancellation policies in the cancellation email you received from Expedia.